I really like this one, but I won't be able to haul it because it's too wide. You can't go over 8 feet if you're going to get on the highway. And this one is bigger, but I love the 2 lofts. It's got the 2 lofts. You put your own drywall up and shelves, make your own little kitchen area, do what you want. And this one is $7,000. Of course, there's always extra options. And it's beautiful on the outside. It's black with the tin roof too. It's really cute. But it's too wide for, like I said, it's too wide for me to haul. So then I go down to the next size smaller is what I'm going to do, because what I also had in mind was getting 2. And then I would cut a hole in the wall like an archway, and then it would go to the second building. And I would have an archway, and my tiny house gets bigger and bigger with my add-ons. This one here is road ready. I could take this on the road. Like I said, I get another one if I want, and put them side by side. So your tiny house becomes a small house. This also has the 2 lofts. One here and one here. The only difference with this one is that it is 8 feet wide. And you cannot take anything more than 8.5 feet wide, or you'd have to get a special license for extra wide load. And then you have to look at the trailer you're gonna have to buy and make sure your car can haul it, and there's just a lot more involved. And that's this one, 8 by 16, a lot cheaper too. And it's fun and exciting to do things yourself. I mean, who couldn't put up some drywall. I mean, I think it'd be cute to even put little shelves in between here and an L-shaped kitchen. You don't need everything right away either. And you can get a microwave and you put your mattress up there and you just start one day at a time. It'd be fun putting the flooring in. It's just exciting. And the time to be a little more financial free and happy. Okay, let's go down here. These tiny houses, they said they can deliver them within a week if I buy one from the lot. If I special order one in different colors and stuff, then it's going to take a month. And see, this one, to me, the porch just takes up too much room. I'll build my own porch. What counts is the space that you have inside. Looks like the office. And this one here only has one small loft. Actually, that's not even a loft. That's just a roof over the porch. So this doesn't buy you much space at all. You'd have to build your own loft, and it can be done, but you know, the way the rafters are, this doesn't seem very feasible. Plus, it's actually too wide to take on the road, so. But just wanted to show you what that one looks like. There's another one over there that I really like. It's extra long, but I don't think that I could haul that one. Oh, this is just like the other one we just looked at. Too wide. I would need that permit for extra wide load. Now this is cute. It has the barn doors on the side. Let's see. Oh, and it has a loft up there and up there. It doesn't seem as bright and airy. And there's only 2 windows. So you got the one loft there, the window here, and the other loft there with the window there, and then the big barn door is right there. And then on the side walls and in the back, no more windows or anything, and you got to be careful because a lot of that would be structural. So you'd have to put in extra, you have to do extra stuff to make it stable. But this is cute too. It's a cute little tiny home. And it looks like it's just that wide enough to, let's see how much this is. Yep, 8 by 16. And these are cute too, like, yeah, look, rent to own, or you could just buy it outright. And they also said no credit check. And even though I've got perfect credit, but it's nice to know that they can offer that. So now, you know, maybe my daughter can get one too. And then we hit the road, get the hell out of the snow this winter, and have our own life doing stuff. Because it's time for me, anyway. Big time. It seems like my daughter's interested in turning her life around as well. It's just time to be. The world today is just so hard on everybody, and I need to be happy. I can't breathe anymore. Cute. Let's see the width. Looks a little wider than 8 feet, but it's cute too. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. This one's really big up there. It's got the bench in it. Let's see. Yeah, 10 feet. It's just 2 feet too wide to take down the road without having that extra permit.